Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off Webull notifications. If you want to turn off push notifications from your Webull application using mobile device, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Webull application. If you want to turn off Webull notifications on your mobile device, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open the settings app on your mobile device, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Now, from the list of the applications under notification style, go ahead and select the Webull application. To turn off the notifications that you may receive from Webull, simply toggle off the button right next to allow notifications, and then you will no longer receive any kind of notifications from the app. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.